Jai Hind, everybody. Well, we the people of India, again we are back to discuss about the contribution, the role, who plays vital role to develop this country. See, equally, both are important. Government plays an important role to develop this country, and of course, public as well. But looking the situation and condition of India, somewhere or the others, we see that public has more contribution. The contribution, of course, public can contribute a lot, and public is contributing a lot, and the people are contributing a lot. But these people, I don't know from where they think that the government plays vital role for the development of this nation, guys. So let's not make a fish market today. Let's make a very persuasive and academic session today. Talking on the facts, speaking on the facts. सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात यह है कि हम दोनों पक्ष वाले एक नेशन की फिक्र को लेकर बैठे हैं. So I feel proud and I feel privileged that you both will be discussing and raising points for the development of this nation. So it really matters a lot for all of us, guys. So here you all have to prove then that government. And here you all have to prove public. I want to initiate and begin this session from Mr. Ayan here, because Ayan has arman for this Hindustan, and before he has any qurbani, he will be qurban for Hindustan.
Yes, sir, of course.
Right? So Meri Jaan, please.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Ayan. So as we all know, today's debate. So the topic is, by whom should India be governed? By the government or by the public? As you all know, I am in support of the public, not government.
Reality comes.
Okay.
And why did you say the topic that this country should be governed? No.
Yes. It's like,
in this country, in the development, like
in the development, yes.
by whom there is more more development, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, contribution development.
Thank you for correcting me. Sir, as you all know, India is a very diverse country. Just like if you go through the cultural basis, there are so many culture, and if you go with the language basis, there are so many languages. There are so many religion in India.
Right.
And there are so many ideology people in India. So how can we imagine that India is more developed by the public? So here is the point, sir. There is a leader. There is a government that is contributing to the development, for the development of the India. So as we all know, the Indian people. So we are most disrespect people in whole country. Disrespected people in whole world. Just like if there is any board where mentioned that peeing is prohibited here, but we the people of India, we have to pee there. So here the public have low civic sense and less civic sense. So as we have all, we don't have to go so long. Just like take the example of Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Because of the public in Nepal, the former prime minister, former prime minister wives killed by the people.
Oh my goodness.
And in Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina had to take the shelter in India just because of the public. And in Sri Lanka, there was economic crisis just because of
the public.
Public.
Exactly.
So here is my point.
And the public also entered in the house of Prime Minister.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
So these are my points.
So you see this drawback, right?
Yes, sir. These are drawbacks of the public.
My goodness. Any answer, please? By the public of any country, the country can be destroyed. Because public, really, I mean, public can go any way,
Yes, sir.
right? Sheikh Hasina had to flee away.
Sir, in Nepal, the public looted the local shopkeepers. They looted the malls. They looted the like grocery shops. So how can you say that the public?
See, I have a
will
solid answer for that, but I want
But
them to
why-
speak.
why you-
No, I will not
Yes.
do that. I will not do that. Hey, it's very simple to answer. Come on, don't be shy. This is the condition of the public of
Yes,
this
sir.
country, right?
Yes,
They
sir.
have nothing to say actually, right? Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So I can say that government can't, if government can do any can't work properly, the people will not follow his rules. People will need so many things. Government can't hear this problem, so that's why. That's why people will raise his voice.
No, he is saying that the public of any country can destroy a country. We are able to banish the harmony,
Yes, sir.
peace,
Peace.
just because of government. Where there is no government, there is no country.
No country.
We can take the example of Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes, sir. How can you say government, the public can destroy the country?
I said you have to prove. You have to prove. You should prove.
Because public can develop a country.
How?
With the shopping malls, you say he theft in shopping mall and other showrooms. How can you say the shopping malls running without the help of people? What is the importance
But
of
I
these
am
type of
saying,
things without?
if there is a government, there is a rule of government in that country, so the government will exercise the penalties and they exercise the like law of the constitution, like of their. So
To maintain the harmony.
to maintain the harmony, that should be like prohibited. That should be stopped.
But all public is not like that. They have rules and regulations they are following, and you said they are against on the government. If government make any unethical activities or illegal laws,
So in India we have
implement any illegal laws.
Look, see, in India there is a constitution. The government don't go against the constitution.
If government
they have
go
to
against
follow
the constitution, people will oppose.
So here in India there is a power to the public. See, they have to raise the voice against that law.
That's why public
So
is rising voice
important.
against the government.
But all the way in the end, government has the at the end the government has the power to there is a Supreme Court. After that, if the public is not satisfied with that law, peacefully they can protest as well. But as we can see that
But
in
peacefully
Nepal,
they don't listen, na.
Why?
Peacefully they don't listen.
They listen.
At the time of UGC, you know,
Yeah.
they make UGC, and
now
people are against.
They have repelled. They have
Government
repelled. Supreme
not.
Court.
Supreme Court is
Yeah.
not government,
Supreme
not
Court
the
entered
government.
that
But
case
government
and
make this rule. Government
Government-
make this.
Yeah,
and
government-
You are saying that Sheikh Hasina entered because of public. Did you know the rules and regulation in India making by our governments?
What rule?
There are so many countries who didn't allow you without a visa and passport. You can't go there, but in India they can easily come. And
No, I am saying what I am saying. You don't understand what I am saying. What I am saying. What I was saying. Entered not India. They had.
said that Sheikh Hasina had to take shelter in India. Why? Because the public of that government,
Because of
the
government,
public of Bangladesh destroyed Bangladesh. Exactly. Prime Minister had to run away.
Shelter in India.
we are in
Because-
we are in India.
yeah.
If we think about Indian people,
I am saying that
Yeah.
if we gave the power to the public, so they will destroy like Bangladesh.
Exactly.
how can you say
Somewhere or the
there are
others,
something happening and you are
somewhere
saying
or
that
the
it is
others,
the same?
the Modi, Prime Minister Modi will have to take shelter in America.
No, no, no.
Yeah, maybe
Why we
if
will
the
go?
government,
Why we
if
will
the
go?
public, if the public have the power, so somewhere or the others.
As you know that the government of India, he is also a public. He is also the part of public of India.
Yeah.
And if he is doing something, it is very great. If we are the public of India, if we are doing something, there are so many normal people in India. They are doing so much thing, but it can't known by anyone because it can't be known by anyone because it is not highlighted. But if government did something, it is going highlighted. But they are doing so much wrong thing with our India, with our Indian people, so that sometimes people get frustrated. You
Actually, he already mentioned that for the rules and regulations, government is there to exercise, right? If in India, there are so many people, they have different ideologies. So they will say something else, they will do something else. They will say something else, they will do something else. So we have the constitution according to laws, according to rules. This country is being governed.
government is not following these kinds of rules, then why there are some,
Government is maintaining that.
I have some examples. By some examples, I will explain it. If I don't want the
Mention the-
Yeah, XYZ. He is related from Hindus. Okay, he is Hindu, and he always support Hinduism. He always support. What then? It is right. It is right. Is it right?
What is the problem?
It is
What is the problem?
It's
So
because in India.
so
No,
yeah.
sir.
Okay, sir.
In India, there are so many.
She exposed himself, sir.
No,
She
no,
exposed
there are
herself.
so many cultures. There
Okay.
are so many Hindu,
Sir,
Muslim.
there-
Sikhs.
Constitution has given us rights to practice. Who will?
Sir, he is saying a single man. If the public support the Hinduism, whole Hinduism, so how can you imagine can you imagine
They not only support, they criticize
Sir,
others,
if the
they
single
criticize
man,
others.
if the single man support Hinduism, so you can imagine when the public support that particular religion or particular ideology, what will happen
No,
to our
because
country?
in India
What will
there are
happen
so
to
many kinds
with our
of
country?
And
religion.
Pooja, for your kind information, the beauty of India is to practice any religion, anytime, anywhere.
So
And,
we
and the Constitution gives that beauty. Constitution gives us this beauty. You need to understand that.
If there is a leader who is supporting only one,
It's not about supporting. Imagine
he
that
supports in India. It is happening.
It is his sentimental rights.
He
Imagine, Pooja, imagine.
Yeah.
If you are targeting, you are saying that only one person.
Yeah.
Just like I am supporting Muslim.
Yeah.
Okay. If just like me, so many people are there who are supporting that only Muslim. Okay. How can you imagine? Can you imagine the situation of the country? What will happen when the public only you are frustrated with one man? You are frustrated with one man. When what will happen when the public will support that?
Because that man is reason. If the leader will
Okay.
do this, everyone will do this.
Because
this is the reason.
No.
This is the reason.
Yes.
Because
Okay.
public have not rights. Public is not able to do this. But
But
his
when
leader
when
is-
the
he
when
is
the power
leader and he has
okay
power,
when
and
the
he is
power
supporting
is
them.
when
Then
the
if they
power
will
is in
also do this, they will
when the
also do
power is in the public hand.
Hey guys, my point is that a nation is built by the people of a nation. A government can't run the nation lonely. Whatever policy government made and scheme made by government, it is followed by the people of the nation. If we don't participate in their scheme policy, if we don't follow that, we can't transform the nation in the development country. And I just want to ask if the country is developed by the government, then why not every state is developed equally? Did you all get my point?
Yeah.
Like you are just saying that a country is developed by the government. If the country is developed by the government, then why all the states are not equally developed? Like there's a lot of states that is
Bimaru states.
not Bimaru, where they are well developed. They are well developed, and there's some of the states which is not well developed, like Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and the highly developed states are like Kerala, Bangalore, and there's so much developed.
Some states are not still developed because of
It
public because of their civic sense.
Yes.
He's from Bihar.
No. I just want to add something. Like every state follow the same constitution, and they are having the same funding by the government. And
why is that not developed?
They are having a same funding by the government and following the same policy.
Because
Then
of-
why they are not developed?
Because there are some state which is we at this time that state is undeveloped because of public sell the road of train.
Government is providing everything. Then why they are?
And they sell public sell the state of public sell bridges
Yeah.
in Bihar.
In Bihar, in night, the train engine was theft by the public. Can you imagine? The train engine.
That's why
One
you are
second.
just
One green corridor park has been started. In the night, people had stolen the flowers. Is this beauty of public? How can you say the public is contributing for the development of this nation?
The state which is developed. it is developed
Wait. First of all, here Miss Alka mentioned about that the same funding is being funded to all the states. First of all, you are absolutely wrong. Exactly. The same
can
funding
you
cannot be funded to all the states. Let me enhance the knowledge of everybody. Bimaru state. Bimaru, B-I, it is Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. These are known as Bimaru states. In Bimaru states, according to situation, the fundings are being funded. Let me tell you that. Have you in Nagaland, no funding is being funded, very rare. But in Uttar Pradesh, more fundings are being funded. So according to situation, condition, the fundings are being funded. Yes. Do you understand that? Same fundings can never be funded. Why is government not funding the funds in Jharkhand? Because there is nothing to invest.
Government should take action.
Government is taking action, and developments that you are looking, and the way you came from Gomti Nagar to this institute, Welltalk Institute, by
Because of people.
because of people,
Because of
public.
people.
Because of government. Because government.
Government only made the rule and regulation, and we
No,
are the people who just follow
Okay.
that.
Who make the rule? And who make the
We
metro?
are the people who make.
No.
We are the people who make the
Who
government.
give the money?
We give
Government.
the money. We give the money. How can you say that we are not giving the money? We are giving
No,
the
we
money.
have
We are giving the money. How can you say that we are not giving the? We are paying the tax.
Sir, we cannot do anything. People cannot do anything. Everything has been done by government because government made environment. Government made environment. That's why India is now 5th largest economy. World 5th largest economy. Can you imagine?
Because of people. Yeah.
Because of the environment of the government. Government made environment.
He is saying that whatever the development is being done, it is just because of government. He mentioned about the road as well, the transport system that you are seeing, it is being done. Nitin Gadkari, wow. The way he is developing, it is so nice.
So government came here to make the roads, right? Yeah. According to yourself.
Yes.
Government didn't came here to make the roads, make the transport,
But
make the
government
technologies.
made environment.
What kind of environment? What kind of environment?
Government is funded.
Governments are cutting trees to make the buildings. That's kind of environment.
Where the cutting trees?
Public need development. Public is not saying to
Cutting
cut
trees,
the trees.
cutting trees is restricted. But what people is doing?
People
What?
is not
people
government is
people are
taking
still
action,
people
that's why
are
they
still cutting the tree.
Government is giving the
Aravali, okay? You know, because of Aravali and some mountains, the people of Delhi's are not able to live properly. And it is not the fault of government, it is the fault of Adani. It is the fault of public.
It is the matter of fact that after government has the profits. Why do they have that at the? Yeah, no. But after that, at the end.
So government think about the profit of people. Who purchase our Aravali? Government purchase or Adani purchase? People of India purchase or Adani purchase? Who purchase and who is cutting? Government sold because of making highways, because of making IIMF, because of making IIT.
Because of extraction of minerals from the Aravali hills. Because
We are the reason behind making it roads. We are the reason.
Without any head. Suppose.
They will come to make the road. They will come to make the road. We the people who make the road.
You are making road
Yeah, we the people of India. The people of India making the road.
because of government. They are not directly making. Because of government, they are making.
Directly we are making. You are accepting directly we are making.
No, how you directly? You are making because under the
government employed you. We employed you.
Hello, dear opponents and dear Kaif sir. Either my question is in India, lots of places have anti-corruption. Who is made by people or government? The government did not write in constitution there is illegal activities, anti-corruption. Why still public support that anti-corruption? Why still public support anti-corruption? My question. Are you understand for that?
Government minister asking for corruption.
Anti-corruption means if like a bribe. There is something bribe, support public, such same on public. Which, how can country develop? Bribe is made by public, not only government. If there is in government sectors, like hospitals, wherever MRO office, it is there, public will give to money to officers. Not only they are, government did not write in laws. Anybody? It is still India. There is in all states have anti-corruption, which is main bribe, right? Public will be support bribe, not only government. Government laws did not write in constitution is illegal activity, anti-corruption. But why public still supported that?
So basically, like we are the public, we are making like the economic of our country mostly depend on us, like startups, entrepreneur, or like farmer, teacher, small worker. Like these are main reason for contribution in our country, not the government. Government is just playing its role, maintaining these things. But we are the real reason for its development, like boosting our country, like providing jobs to every person. Like government play just a small role providing jobs in our country. But like private companies, these are the main source of providing jobs, like startups also. Yeah, that's my point.
Government make a policy, but without public responsibility, they can't develop country.
Good evening, all the panelists.
Good evening.
Well, before come on the main point, I want to thank all the panelists, and I want to share my opinion. I want to say that why people is and public is important for develop our country, because by the help of public we can develop our country. If government implement any rule or regulation, and if people will follow and public will follow that rule and regulation properly, that is the importance of any rule and any policies. If people will not follow the rule and regulations, how can government apply that policies? And if public of India will think something about the develop of our country, then we can say our country will be developed. Not only by the government. We should think about the country and about the society, and we should do something for our nation. Then when people will do something and something think about the country and for the society and like as a startup, manufacturing and social works, then we can say our country will be developed, not only by the government. That's it.
There are two countries, Libya and Somalia.
Yes.
Before some time, when government was not present in Somalia and Libya, people wanted to open their own shop, but because of public, they was not able to open their shop because public looted their shop in the absence of government.
Public is looted their shop, that is exception. Not compulsory. Not compulsory. How can you say public will looted your shop? Public will be loot your shop.
Because that time there was no law.
Good evening, all the panelists. My point is that government is doing each and every work for the public and for the development of our country. Likewise, government is making dam on the river for the farmer of this country. Government is making so many hospitals, good hospitals for the common people of this country. Government is making so many government school for the children, for the common people's children of this country, so that everyone could get good education and develop our country. Government is dealing from foreign country, so that so many things can Rafale, aircraft, bomb, etc., are dealing, but public can't do this type of things. And main thing is that government is dealing with other country. If our Indian farmer is growing so many things, so much crops, then export and import. So public can't do this type of things. That is why.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Today I am going to talk about benefits of public in development. As far as I know, public is the real strength of a nation. And without the support of public, country cannot develop. Which type of development we are talking about? Economic growth and social awareness and following rules and systems and laws. There are so many things by done the public, and nowadays we are pursuing any type of things to live a good position. If I talk about the another people, they are educated person. Because of lack money, they are not selected in a company in government jobs. You know why? Government is taking a lot of money. It may be 3 lakh, 4 lakh, but poor people, they can't pay. So because of lack money, they has committed suicide. And people are talking about the government is growing our development in India. How can you say that the government is increasing and development? Government is destroying our Indian people and our GDP also. So that's why the people of India opening their own shops and industries and schools. Right now private. If I talk about Kaif sir, he has also a qualified person, individual person. But why did he learning? Why he is learning like a private center? Because he wants to people take benefits and given benefits. So that's why he is running and conducting like this of center. If I talk about the another systems there are so many systems, and people are talking about government making rule regulation. After making rule regulation, roads and highways, they are taking bribes and money. You can see in a toll gate. Do you know toll gate? Toll gate. After stopping the car, he start bringing money. It is benefit for the public. Those person who will have rich person, there is no need to take money. But why are you taking money? And by stopping the car, you are making for the benefit for the public, but you are start beginning money by stopping car and like everything is. And another thing is railways. By railways you are beginning money. There is no need. There is no things to without taking benefits they are conducting. That's my all side. Thank you so much.
Good evening, dear panelists. This is me Prashant Kumar, and today we know very well. So in India, by whom the country is developing? By the people, government. So you know that the people is the backbone of the country, and he is the big role to develop our the country. So we know that the farmer are feed the nation, and the worker are build the infrastructures and engineer, and the doctor are population. Doctor keep the population health, and teacher are skilled the citizen. So it's all about by the citizen, doctor, engineer. It is also the part of the common people. I know the government is the, I think, little bit role about the developing the country, but government is only make a rule and regulation, but the people are follow. So, for example, you are doing you said that India is the fourth largest economic. So why India is very backward? A lot of the people are poor, and even they are not able to eat anything. India. And you know the rule and lots of rule and regulation, but still a discrimination is going on, molestation, harassment, paper leak. Why? The government take a strictly action about that, no? I think something or others. I think something is lacking in our India, the government. So it's all about myself.
Good evening, panelists. Today I want to talk about India more developed by the people and by the government. According to me, by the government, because in India, in India there is no government, then people will start fight to each other because of like religion, because of casteism. They are fighting together, and we all are saying they are saying that because of people India grow more, but according to me, because of government India grow more. What I see in Gomti Nagar is like developed, and there is make one train station, and it's look like airport. If you go over there, you can see also. And if I talk about Hazratganj, earlier what Hazratganj is, and now you can see over there. And we also see the Kapurthala also developed by the government, because government always think about people, not government think about itself, not himself. And because of government, we also people like poor people government give the ration free of cost, and in the COVID, government give more ration to the people. If there is no government, people will die because of starvation. And if I talk about rape cases, because of people it's happened rape cases more. If government is not there, that time rape cases more increase day by day, and they can make their own rule and regulation. If government is not there, and if whatever they want they can do. So think about government, always think about people, not themselves. That's all my point.
All right, that's great.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to speak in the front of you. According to me, people are best for developing a country, because people are the only those pillars or backbone of a country who build the country. Without people, government are just useless. They cannot do anything. It doesn't matter what policies, what laws they are making. If people are not going to follow, if the laws are not in the favor of people, nobody going to follow that. That's why they are opposing. That's why they are protesting. And even the people allow the government to follow the direction. They told, I need this, I need that. That's why government is making the laws. Government is not making laws by themselves. People give them direction to make the laws. Okay? And as you said that discrimination are built by the government, I don't think so. It is mostly built by the government because they want to win the election. Some politicians say, I'm supporting this religion. Some say, I'm supporting this religion. And before that, people are used to live with each other so happily. But when government come in the market, they started feeling the poison in the brain of a people. So they can fight with each other. And in order to that, government can win the election. And except this, there are so many things that need a people. Without people, government is just useless. Thank you.
Wow. Good evening, everyone. Well, before coming to the main point, I want to thank all the panelists for having me this opportunity to convey my thoughts. Well, today's topic is India developing by people or government? I am supporting people because India is developing. India is developed by the people. If people will not follow the rule, so the government make rules. He is worthless. Government will come and go, but peoples are permanent. If you will, government can rules and regulation, but people will not follow his rules and regulation. These are useless, and people has own power to choose government. Right. People are backbone to our nation. That's it, sir.
Good evening, all the panelists. My name is Mohammad Atif, and the topic is who is doing more development in India, government of India, or government and the people of India. So I am in the favor of government of India because government is making AIMS, IIT, IIM for the benefit of peoples of India. And other side, if you compare to government as compared to public, what public is doing? They are making hospital, but their charges is too high. Government thinking is for all the peoples of India, but what peoples think, what public think, for their own self. So if you go in any hospital, any government hospital where the ultrasound is present, the fees of ultrasound is sometime 100 rupees or minimum is 20 to 25 rupees. But in private hospital, 1200 to 3500. So that's why I'm in the favor of government. Thank you so much.
So as you can see, there are many schemes like that are PM Awas Yojana.
All the Yojana actually.
Yes, sir. All the Yojanas are given by the government.
Exactly.
So here, yes, I am accepting that public do their best, but because without the government, you can say we will grow, but it's not we are not accepting that. Simultaneously, government has also launched some schemes like yojanas and in medical term like Ayushman card. So if you can see that they give the 5 lakh rupee free medical advice.
As you said, like government is providing us, but because government is providing, because they are not able to provide jobs, they are also depending on us.
How can they not provide jobs? UPSC,
Like, yes, we can,
IAS, IAPS are not the
but
jobs.
they are very few
Are
jobs.
not the jobs.
Like there are only few
Are not
seats.
the jobs, and the education system and the AIMS professors and the KGMU AIMS professors, IIMs professors, IITs
what
professors,
you're saying.
and the junior high schools teachers are not the jobs.
Like these
What are you
but
saying?
these- like they provide us, but these are only a few jobs. Like
Not
when you
few
talk
jobs.
about
Can you
like
imagine?
on a larger
Do
scale,
you-
like there are more.
I also don't know how many schools are there in government schools are there in
like
India.
as you talk about government school, like we all know what the condition of government school and what the condition of private school. Like you can
So,
say, like
yeah.
you can see that. Like always, private sector is doing better, providing more jobs or also
on
like
how-
everything.
On which cost? On which cost?
Like I know, like
Because
like
of
just-
them, because of welfare of themselves, not public.
Nah,
not
they are
because of
providing welfare.
because in India there is a rule. In schools are non-profitable organizations, as you know.
Yeah, we know,
I,
but
I am awareing you. Schools are not non-profitable profitable organization.
So, like you
school
said,
are-
like
yeah.
let me finish. Like you said, like they are non-profitable.
Yeah.
So they are providing that way also. Like
They
in
are
private
providing.
sector,
They
like,
are providing
taking,
because
yes, they are taking
because
less, but they are
before
providing
before
good
I want to
good
say I want to
education.
say
Like,
before
they are providing
before joining the job, the government teacher have to clear the B.Ed M.Ed exam. So
Yeah,
they can
I know.
So here who is responsible for this? The teachers, the public is responsible for this because government do their best, but the public, the teachers are
But
not doing
we
their
all
best
know, like-
because here is the responsibility of teachers. They should have to teach the children as they can but the teachers are
like
not
why-
doing their jobs.
Let's see, like
Okay.
in private school, you don't have to like say anything to teacher. Like they are doing their own job. Like you don't have to say like. But why in government school, like they have to take your own action. Like government is not doing government is not taking action against them. Like government should do so they can do better in their field. But in private
Government-
sector, they are
government-
taking actions. So that's why they are getting
Government are
results.
taking actions. If
Like I don't see any actions against teachers or anything. Like
why
they are.
in government those teachers who are not teaching well they cut
Like,
their salaries
as
I
you
can
like,
you
let
do you
me-
know the Shiksha Mitra standard primary teacher, they are not doing their work properly, so the government cut their salaries. Deduct their salaries. So why are you saying that government don't do their job?
Sir, he is saying that government schools. Did you know that education is the most important thing for development? If people or government also the part if they are educated, they can make good rules. They can make, but there is no any rule regulation for the government. Why? There is we can say, sir, can I use in Hindi? Angutha chhap. If they are angutha chhap, they can be a leader. But for being for a job, we should clear we should clear UPSC or that kinds of job you said, that MBBS, this kinds of thing. But what about the normal people who are not able to crack this kinds of jobs?
So those faults, na? So what is the fault of government? They have no skills.
We
They
are
have
the
no skills.
reason because public is
We have-
important.
they have-
and in
public have no
education,
skills, what?
You are saying that they cut the salaries.
Huh.
There are so many schools in government school in every.
Yeah.
I am talking about every
Government
except
school, yeah.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Except Delhi government. Why Delhi government schools are best? Why? The reason is government, because government is ruling good. Government is good ruling. And that's why.
That's why government is that's why government
government
is
not good
necessary
ruling.
because the government is necessary.
They are not doing anything, so they are not necessary.
How can they?
In our
If
India-
they are not doing anything, so how can the government, the Delhi government schools are best?
So because they are, we are talking about
because
India.
the government
I am
because
not government. I am not saying that government is bad. We are saying we are here to debating that what is the reason behind. We are not debating who is good or who is bad. Government can good anywhere, but in India, except Delhi, in education sector, we can say everyone can say, because we see that everyone wants to get admission in Delhi any normal people can get admission and can get good education by government school. But in India, mostly government schools are not providing good education, and the teachers.
They are providing because the teachers have to qualify the B.Ed.
The teachers are qualified.
But teachers are not doing their work properly.
Yeah, they are not. Because
So who are the teachers? Who are the teachers? Teachers are the public. Who are the teachers? Teachers are the public.
Because they are not taking action.
They are taking action. They are taking action.
Did you know
I know.
in Delhi, normal people are.
Do you know the percentage of BPL, below poverty level, in rural area? 23%. In city, 27%. Now, if these many people are coming under the BPL, below poverty level, government can uplift them. Free of cost education. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
No, sir.
But the schools which are being run by the private sectors, how can this BPL?
But
Of course, how can they afford?
If we talk about Lucknow,
Yeah.
Lucknow is not rural area.
But
it is not rural
below
area.
poverty line,
27%
as
people.
people are below poverty line. Do you know below poverty line?
So
Their income is very less. Their income is very less.
They can't even afford.
They can't even afford.
They are.
According to you, government is providing everything free and low of cost. Okay, I know, and everybody knows.
Everything not free, but
Okay, everybody knows.
in
But that is
affordable
in reality, nothing is free. There is a beautiful quote: "If you are not paying for the product, then you are the product."
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
As you know,
Yes.
all those money government is spending on the people, that is already taken by the that is already paid
This
by the
point
government.
was
People, sorry.
excluded. Okay.
So
This
they
point
have
was
enough amount of
okay.
money. They can spend tremendous amount of money, and we
As-
are the
okay,
people. We have to spend money
If
for
you
their
if
own
you go
pocket.
through the if
Okay,
you
we
go
need
through
to
the
think
union
about
budget,
the-
if
all
you
those
go
people
through
who is
the
working
union
with us,
budget,
we
the
have to
union
think
the
government
union
has a
budget,
tremendous amount
the
of money, millions and
21%, the
billions. They can spend
21%
like
of union
everything.
budget was given by the was taken by the
Okay,
World Bank.
whatever. Listen,
borrowing
listen,
by borrowing.
listen to me. As you said that the government is
itself
spending money, that
in
money is not
government
is
itself
own.
is in
That is the money of
debt.
the people, so they can spend whatever in a way they
government
want.
are
Okay.
government are.
So if government is itself in a debt, how can government develop country?
Yes.
How can government
Already
develop
in a debt.
country?
They borrow the
How long you
money
will borrow
to
the money?
develop the country.
How long we will
They
borrow the
borrow
money?
they
How
borrow
long
the
you will
money to
borrow the
develop the
money?
country. They are borrowing the money to develop the country.
You want to make our country like Sri Lanka, it means? Of course, yes.
Yes, it will happen after some time like that.
Sri Lanka had taken a lot of loans
Yes.
from China. They were in the debt. That's why Prime Minister had to flee away. Now you want to make this country as Sri Lanka.
Sir, they are borrowing to skill up the India, so that in further future the
How
skilled
long
people.
you will borrow the money?
Yeah.
After a couple of decades, it will happen like other countries. Yes.
Because he took loan, government took loan for the development of India. That in future, after they had government took loan for 10 to 15 years.
Oh.
In 15 years,
Government
we
will
can-
change in the 5 years. How can you say government? Who will going to pay the next loan?
Government took loan for us, for the people of India, not for only
Government
for
should
himself.
never take a loan. Government should always take the tax, our tax, so they can develop the country. Yes. Why they are going to take the loan?
Because with the help of tax, they can. Our India will increase day by day.
Only you are not paying the tax. The government has every person. Yeah, I accept. But government have many earning sources like natural by extraction natural resources. Not only your tax. Government don't depend on not only your tax. They have the natural resources. They extract the natural resources. They have the transportation.
How long
system.
you will extract the natural resources?
What?
How long?
They-
It will not.
No,
it
no,
will not
it
stay
will
for more than
not-
100
it
years,
will
and after
not-
that, what will you do? You have to depend on the people. It doesn't matter how much you have the
in current
resources.
scenario, I am arguing that in current scenario, you are not the only one that paying the tax. The government, they are extracting natural
It can be
resources.
only 10 to 15%, but rest of the thing will depend on the people. Okay.
No.
We should.
It is true. It is truth. Government is taking money from the people of India. But what now? You know, the 5 lakh health cover. Ayushman.
That is possible because of people's money.
government repay your money in the form government repay your money in the form of medicine, in the form of education.
I think talking about the Ayushman card. So who will treat you? I think we should depend on the Rasan. Actually, they are not provide the job and.
Ration card is present only for poor people. Also present for poor people.
Yeah, you are talking about the Rasan card and Ayushman card.
There are in India, the population of India is 160 crore. So 160 crore people all are not rich. Only 30 to 40% people are very rich, and 30 to 40% people are middle class, and 30 to 40% people are belongs from poor family. They are not able to eat properly. So because of ration card, they are able to eat properly.
So you want still we are depend on the Rasan?
So it is present only for poor people.
Yes.
They are going to die because of starvation. It is present for that type of people.
Another side, you can also provide the job.
We are providing.
What providing? What?
There are crores of job in government sector. In SSC exam, there are 10 types of SSC exams.
What about the paper leak? SSC paper leak? Yes.
Paper is leaking because of public.
Public because of the government. Because of the government.
Because of public.
No.
Because of public is paying bride public is paying bride inside the table. That's why the member of the member,
it is government. It's government fault. It is government fault.
Not is government fault.
What?
It is the fault of the people who is under the government.
What about the UPSC paper? It is never leaked. Why?
Because of people.
Why?
Because of rich people.
What because of rich people? What?
So indirectly, Capsir wants to say that peoples of India is corrupted.
Sir, do you know? Let me.
If
Sir,
you go to restaurant for eating food, after eating food, will you not pay?
1 minute, sir. Let me complete my. Sir, I was talking about the taxes, all taxes, and the government is opening and like hospital, and they are hired and like doctors, engineers, and doctors, a lot of doctors. So how they are paying money? Because of my taxes. Government cannot earn money without by the government of public of people. But we are opening a lot of industries and we are paying. By paying our money, they can easily pay.
If there is no hospital, how do you treat? If there is no hospital,
yes,
that is developed by the government.
Private, there are so many private hospitals available.
Sir, he is unable to pay the tax.
Yes.
Just small tax, road tax, and he is go to the private hospital for treatment. What a hypocrite man.
After completing the whole money, they are continuing this.
I have the question to Noor Bhai. No. If you are not able to pay the sum of money of tax like in hundreds,
yes,
and you have the more money for the treatment in private hospital. So how can you explain? How can you explain?
You are talking about which type of? I am not able to pay. Which type of?
I am not able to understand you.
You are saying.
Actually, the motto of every private sector is to make money.
And that money
That is why.
our country. So what's the problem? That money is.
What is the use of that development when the poor people are being looted?
Sir, they are crying for tax. Okay, I have question. You are crying for tax that I am paying tax. Okay, So if you are already pay the tax, so why you are going to the private hospital? You should go to the government hospital.
You know what? The policy which is made by the government, it is, sometimes I feel that government is making money only. One vacancy is released for 10 people. 5 crore people, fill the form. 2,000 rupees people pay, submit the form. Only for 10 people. And maybe after, some time that you have to fill other form. After passing, you have to fill other form. So, don't you think that the government is looting the common janta? Means government is not doing anything. Government is only looting the money of public.
No, government made sectors by ruling the public because, for example, this Welltalk Institute same like government. We are public. Why we come here?
Because it's private, that's why you came here.
No, not at all. I think imagination. This one Welltalk Institute like government. This is office also government. Public will be come here and learn and go there.
Okay.
So Kef sir is here leader. He's a rule by government. Okay, which is provide facilities like chairs. Is it very well skilled? They teach well to public.
Okay.
To public will be survive whichever they go.
See,
themselves.
right now, CAF is very serious. Tell me why. CAF, the real CAF, I am serious. I am very much focused since morning to evening. Why I am focused? Because it's a private. If it is converted into government, I will just wait for my salary and I will not be very much focused. And I cannot skill people as well.
It's because
And nowadays you can see that government is privatizing every sector also. Why? Because government also knows the development can be done by only public. Airport is being privatized. Railways are being privatized. Hospitals are being privatized. Public transports are being privatized. Transportation is being privatized.
Sir, it is a default of a particular party so that we can.
It is not the fault.
the fault of public, right? Public they didn't take seriously. There is no civic sense. There is a hospital made by.
Why are you just blaming on civic sense? Yeah, why
There
are
is
you blaming
public
on
didn't
civic
follow
sense?
the rules, right?
Let him try.
Public didn't follow the rules. Of if government make hospitals, sir will be told, right? It's like a privatized. Why? Because there is no responsibility that public. So government made a hospital, for example. Anyone go there, no following the rules. Whatever they thinks, like.
Actually, private sectors are doing good works. That is why government is also handing over.
Yes.
So let's promote the things of which is being done by the public of India. Exactly. Coming to conclusion, guys.
Yes, sir.
Because the time is over, I have to have my online class. Only he was speaking in this team, that is why I can't say that you guys are winners. But you guys got
Sir,
2
there
plus
is
2
tie.
plus, the same tie, right? But only you were speaking in this team. What about other people? Here I think almost, you लोग भी थोड़ा सामान मिला. रोहित भाई leader थे आप. कोई नहीं, guys, let's see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have theory class plus practical, so be on the time to have that practicality. So that's what I'm telling you. Practical activity.
So it is.
The conclusion, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, the development which is being done in India, that is most and most by public.
Yes.
But equally both are important, right? Exactly.
They do have.
And I think government needs to privatize a lot.
No, sir.
Exactly.
No.
Defense should not be privatized. Police station should not be privatized.
Sir,
Otherwise, opposition
everything
leaders.
should be privatized, but in affordable cost. Like if
It is affordable.
Health sector.
sir, it,
No, see. If you're going to a restaurant,
yes, sir.
you want only puri sabzi, so you will have to pay according to puri sabzi. Along with puri sabzi, if you want paneer, you want gulab jamun, you want water, so you will have to pay for that. So like Lucknow airport is private.
India is like underdeveloped country, so according to that, we should.
So why are you starting metro in village?
So I am not studying.
In Bihar, people are traveling by Bakari. Exactly. Don't do the development where you cannot get pay back. Like in Kanpur, the people have started metro.
Yes,
The much money they are investing every day, they are not earning actually. So what is the use of starting there?
No need so.
Why are you starting? In Agra, the people have started. So the outcome is not there, na?
Yes.
So you should invest where we can generate. All right. Thank you so much. But yes, you should also develop this country. It is your responsibility. So make money as soon as possible and give a lot of taxes. जिस दिन आप लोग 1 करोड़ रुपया, हाँ मैं सच में बता रहा हूँ, सुनिएगा, जिस दिन 1 करोड़ आप लोग टैक्स देने लगे, समझ जाइएगा आपने जो है जीवन में कुछ अच्छा हासिल कर लिया।